silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory.
To officially open our program this evening, at this moment, let us hear our message of our very own Chief Operating Officer, at the same time, our in-house financial advisor, Mr. Mark Jersey Garcia, to give the opening remarks. So give them a round of applause.
Happy to see familiar faces and unfamiliar faces. So it means that, diba, we're growing as a family, diba, sa business and all. So naisip namin ni bossing to, yan, bossing natin lahat, diba, na ano ba yung parang she was asking ano pwede natin gawin before the year ends, diba, na parang I know itong parang second half ng taon, I believe madami sa atin ang may mga challenges na napagdaanan. Yan, sinasabi sa akin ni Ramyan na parang si ganito, ganyan, si ganito, ganyan. And what's ano yung nakaka-amaze doon, and you know, we're still here, diba? So sabi ko, edi ano lang, mag-chill lang tayo, kain lang tayo, dinner lang. This night, kwento ko lang, kasi nakaka-relate ako doon sa part na parang every day, parang for the past, you know, siguro 2 taon, sabihin na natin, biglang may nagtatag kasi hindi naka-auto-tag sa akin eh. So kailangan ko mag-approve ng mga magtatag. Someone has tagged me, someone has tagged me, someone has tagged me. And ang nakakatuwa doon is parang, thank you po kay Ma'am Ram, kay Sir Jerkoy, thank you po kay Coach ganito. Ganun yung mga laging natatag sa akin. To the point na parang puro gratitude post na lang yung laman ng feed ko. Kaka-accept ko, sige, accept natin para makita ng mga tao. Na, di ba? So, ngayon guys, tonight, kami naman yung magti-thank you sa inyo by, you know, giving you this very simple dinner para sa inyo lahat. Ma-meet nyo yung mga sisters and sirs ninyo, di ba? And ma-meet din namin kayo personally. Pero again, yung dinner na to is para sa inyo. Okay? This is the whole team of CY Shop saying thank you, di ba? Kasi kung araw-araw thank you kayo ng thank you, wala kami ibang marinig sa inyo thank you. Kami naman mag-thank you sa inyo because, you know, you've helped us as well, you know, our coaches, the whole business as well. If we are able to create the opportunities na na-experience ninyo personally, you are now part of that creation ng opportunity para doon sa mga susunod.
Hello po, good evening, Edwina here.
Wow!
Para may iba lang. Owner and founder of MTR Tarilay Branded Brands. 4 years na po kami with C-Shop and grateful and thankful dahil matatag at mas tumitibay pa yung samahan with GY.
Yes, thank you!
Ako si Luz Maca, CEO ng MLM Branded R2W Shop. By hook o by crook, sa init at sa lamig, sa hirap at sa ginhawa, forever CY ako. Alam ko, after na retirement ko, ito yung talagang business na pinapangarap ko.
They say the struggle is real. I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you.
Nadangal ng Lahi Awardee for the year of 2022, Dr. Ram Dagdag. So let's give her a round of applause.
Ayan guys, no? Welcome. Just to give you a brief summary for 2022. 2022 is like a roller coaster ride. Tama ba? It goes up and down, and every time guys, I always ask, sister, kamusta ka? The reason is, I want to know really, kamusta talaga kayo? Not in business, emotionally, physically. May sakit ako na-depress ako. And for me, it is actually a saddest part. So, me, not as a CEO actually, but as a sister, I always ask, kamusta ka? To ask lang guys, what I can do to help. Diba? So, for 2022 guys, nasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's up and down. Merong lulubog, lilitaw ng mga sisters. But I am always here to guide you, but then no matter what. So for 2022, this is what we accomplished. And I am very, very proud that despite of the financial crisis, that despite of after pandemic, diba guys, we are still one, we are still strong. So ito po yung recent project natin, the Bagyong Paeng, kung saan tayo ay tumulong not just in Cavite na talaga namang naapektuhan, kundi sa Antique, Leyte, ang dami guys. We are very, very proud na naipatayo natin ang ating ikawalong mini library. And of course, this year, 2022 guys, kung saan sinimulan din natin ang ating mga livelihood program na naglalayong matulungan ang ating mga kababayan na talagang nahihirapan mag-catch up sa ating financial crisis. And of course, for ZY and Rep Academy, guys, na lagi natin ginagawa via Zoom, kung saan talaga namang binubuhay natin ang ating mga OFW partners, guys. Weekly webinars and of course, ang ating C-Shop Entrepreneurial Masterclass na ginanap noong March 28 to April 1. Business mastery, social media marketing, intensive step-up programs na ating ginagawa upang tayo ay matutong mapalago ang ating negosyo. And of course, yours truly is awarded again as Dangaw ng Lahi Awardee. Ayan, and as part of us being grateful coaches, pasok.
They say the struggle is real. I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck. I put my faith and my trust in my team. Everything that we done been through. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames.